Okay, so we got some old school matching here. So what I would do if I was doing this myself is I would go down through and I would do the ones that I know that are easy first. So I would look for quadratic first because I know that quadratic is always got a square in it. So the quadratic one is, and I'm going to do my matching like this, put an arrow that points to it. So if I look down through there, I know exponential is something raised to a power. So I'm going to find that one if I can. So, uh, sorry, exponential is going to be right here because I see right in there, it's got this piece right here, that little exponential piece right there. So that's why it's exponential. Rational has division. I'm just kind of scrolling down doing the ones that I remember are the ones that I'm doing first. So rational has to have division, so we can get a couple of asymptotes in there. So that one's rational division. Radical has a square root in it, so that one's usually pretty easy to find. So that one has a square root. Radical has a square root. I see a sign right here. That has to be trigonometric. So I'm going to point trigonometric right there. Let's see here. Linear has to be a line. So no exponents, no logarithms, none of that stuff. So linear is going to go right there. So there's my linear one. I see absolute value bars down here at the bottom. So that's going to be an absolute value one. I'm going to put the letters on the side when I'm all done because this is getting a little crazy here. What do I got left? Logarithmic has to have the log, the log in it. So logarithmic is going to be right there. And then that leaves the polynomial as the one with a bunch of different terms with a bunch of different exponents. So quadratic ended up being B. Trigonometric was E. Absolute value was I. Exponential was C. Logarithmic was H. Polynomial was F. Rational was A. Radical was D, and linear was G. That's what I ended up with.